Welcome to WTF, West Bank Talks Finance, where we clear up those what the finance moments by answering your frequently asked questions. So, what is a credit score and how do you keep it healthy? When a bank or credit provider lends you money, they are not just going to take your word for it that you'll pay them back. So before they lend you anything, they're going to do a deep dive into your financial past to see if you really are a responsible borrower. Their source? Your credit report at the credit bureaus like Experian and Transunion, which is like your report card from your other credit providers. Your credit report spills the beans on the following. 1. Your payment history for the last 2 years. It displays each account and shows whether you paid on time each month. 2. Whether you have any defaulted accounts more than 3 months in arrears, or credit-related court judgments. 3. Recent credit applications. And 4. How much credit you have available. All of that is distilled into a magic number, which is your credit score. Side note, the credit bureaus have different scales, so your credit score number will vary between them. It's like whether your speedometer shows kilometer per hour or miles per hour. You're going at the same speed either way, but it's measured differently. So a score of 600 would be a gold star at one credit bureau that goes up to 650, but pretty average at another credit bureau that goes up to 900. Here are some tips for keeping your credit score in a healthy state. 1. Pay all your accounts on time every time. 2. Use as little of your available credit limit as possible. Just because it's there doesn't mean you have to use it all. And 3, go easy on applying for credit. It makes you look desperate if you apply for too many accounts in a short time. And here's a pro tip. Keep an eagle eye on your credit report for evidence of identity theft. If there are credit applications that weren't done by you, that's a sign of fraud because you need to give the bank the go-ahead to do a credit check. So it's a good idea to take advantage of that free credit report you can get from the bureau every year. Thanks for listening. We hope that you found it useful. Now go and subscribe to be notified when our next informative episode is available.